In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Figma. We'll walk through getting to the right place inside Figma, finding the ChatGPT tools, and using them to generate helpful content right in your workspace. Keep Figma open and make sure you are connected to the internet so the plugin can work smoothly. Start by opening Figma. From the top interface, go to your design file. This ensures you are in the main design canvas where you can work with frames, components, and layouts. If your goal is to brainstorm or map flows visually, remember that Figma boards are great for diagrams, but we'll first get to the ChatGPT tools from your design interface. Next, look toward the bottom of the design interface and click the Actions menu. This opens Figma's quick command area where you can search across tools and plugins. In the search field, type ChatGPT. You'll see results for ChatGPT-related plugin tools designed to assist with content, ideas, and even diagram generation. From the list of results, select the option that best suits your needs. You might see options like Simple ChatGPT or FigPT. Simple ChatGPT is great for quick content prompts and text ideas. FigPT often focuses on more structured outputs and can help when you want concise, formatted results. Choose one and click to open it. A dialog box will appear. If the plugin requires it, you may be asked to log in or authorize access. Follow the on-screen steps and complete any sign-in that's needed. Once you are in, you'll see a prompt field where you can talk to the tool just like you would in a chat. Now let's create something practical. Switch to a Figma board if you plan to build a visual map, and in the plugin's prompt field, type Create a user flow diagram for a checkout process. The tool will interpret your request and guide you with structure, steps, and connections. If the plugin supports direct diagram generation, it will help place nodes and connectors on the board. If not, it will provide a clear outline that you can translate into shapes and arrows. Refine your prompt to get exactly what you want. For example, specify guest checkout, payment methods, or error states to make the flow more complete. Once you see the results, adjust the layout for readability. Rename nodes to match your product language and keep iterating with the plugin for clarity. That's how you can use ChatGPT in Figma.